How to add wishlist in Etsy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now I'm in my home page. Basically, this is the place where you can find and browse through different products. So now you can scroll down until you find the product that you like. So here on each product on the top section, you can find a love button. Now basically this is the place where you can add it to your wish list. Now simply tap on the product that you like, and here on the top you can find this love button. Simply tap on it. So here you can add the collection where you like. So you can either create a new one, tap and add it to your collection. At last tap on done and you're all set to go. So the product has been added to your wish list, and later you can easily check it out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.